Does your garage door refuse to close all the way? It could be an issue with the safety sensors. These small but crucial devices at the bottom of your door ensure it doesn't close on obstacles. But when they're misaligned, dirty, or malfunctioning, they can prevent your door from operating correctly. If you're in the Haywards Bay area and experiencing this frustrating issue, help is just a phone call away. Contact us at 0409-774-111 for prompt, professional garage door sensor repairs. Don't let sensor problems compromise your garage's functionality and safety. Call today and let our experts handle the fix.